here, boy. Get in here. Yeah. That's a nice fish. Look at that, he choked it. Oh yeah. That is the American Punch swamp swimmer. It's a red, white, and blue flake clear bait. It's been catching some fish lately. There's a nice 1.5, 2 pounder. Let's let him go with the signature backflip. All right, guys, pink swamp bait scrub. Nice little bass. There's Kitty Woody. All right, and now for the signature. All right, let's let him go. Backflip. All right, we got a tough little bass. Well, swamp bait scrub. Pink. There we go. All right, guys, fishing with the swamp bait scrub in a pond. Tiny, but got ourselves one.
Bunch of fish.
Yeah, there's tons of fish here. But there we go on the swamp bait scrub.
But I found.
Let him go. Backflip. All right, guys. Swamp bait scrub. Got ourselves 1/2 pound bass. He's a nice one. All right, let's let him backflip.